How to apply promo codes or discounts on the Shake Shack website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to save on your Shack order, well here is how to apply promo codes online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, you can then just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to their official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply sign in with your account and once you're logged in, you can simply build your order by selecting your Shack location and menu items. And there, when your card is ready, then you can just click on the checkout and confirm your pickup or delivery details first. And after that, you simply have to look for the promo code or discount box at the checkout page and there you simply have to enter your code as exactly provided and then you simply have to click on apply. And once you do that, the discount should update your total immediately. And with that, just a pro tip is that you can double check the terms because some codes only work for a specific item's location or order minimums. And that's it. That's how you can apply promo code or discounts on the Shake Shack website. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.